On Monday of this week, for the third time, Donald Trump sent his legal team to beg Judge Lewis Kaplan to please give us 30 more days to pay the $91.63 million bond that we have to pay in order to appeal the verdict of the E. Jean Carroll defamation trial. Now, they didn't just beg the judge, please give us a 30-day stay, but on Monday they said, give us the stay and tell us in a few hours, Judge, that we can have that stay. Like, don't sit there and take all week. Don't take a couple of days. We got a due date coming up Thursday. You got to give me an answer right now. And on Monday, of course, the judge said, well, I'm not going to do that. You know, you can demand all you want. This is actually the kind of thing that probably takes a couple days. I mean, you know, you're filing this motion 3.5 days before the due date. So, you know, you got to give me some time to grade your paper here. So the judge essentially smacked down their request for a 30-day stay before he even had to smack down their request. But here's what's interesting about this. As I said, this is the third time Trump's lawyers have gone to Judge Kaplan, who oversaw the case when it was in trial, and begged him, like, please give us more time. And every time so far, the judge has been like, no, you haven't made a compelling reason why I should give you the stay. So Trump has till Thursday. Is he going to pay the $91.63 million? Or, as Joyce Vance, a former federal prosecutor and MSNBC legal expert, said earlier this week, if he doesn't, then Roberta Kaplan, E. Jean Carroll's lawyer, can next week start asking the judge to seize Trump's properties. We're literally at this point, folks, days away from the possibility of Donald Trump's assets being seized by the court for this E. Jean Carroll trial. And that doesn't even begin to touch whether or not they're going to have to seize them for the verdict in the New York fraud trial. Like, by the time Letitia James, which I think that's coming up mid-March, by the time she has to get around to possibly seizing Trump's assets, is there going to be anything left? Right? I mean, is E. Jean Carroll going to own Trump Tower? Like, what's Letitia James going to snatch? Like, well, dang it. You already got the good ones that are actually worth money. What am I going to do? And that would be a hilarious problem for Letitia James to have, and I'm sure she would also probably find the humor in that, because Donald Trump can't pay both of these bonds. He's not going to get a reduction, even though Trump's lawyers have asked, well, what if he just puts up $25 million instead of $91 million? And E. Jean Carroll's lawyers, by the way, to their credit, have made it clear to the court, like, no, you can't just take him at his word. We know he's got that other massive verdict and he cannot afford to pay both of them. Make him put the whole amount up. So Trump's in serious trouble. And pretty soon, I mean, possibly within a week from now, his properties could begin being seized if he doesn't come up with that $91 million. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.